Hello there everybody, welcome back to my channel. I do hope you're having a good day and welcome back to another video. Hi, I've got a treat for you today. Alright, so we have another unboxing and review for you guys today. This time of a Phoenix aircraft. Now, I've never uploaded a Phoenix unboxing and review before. I did actually have another two Phoenix models. I bought them sort of at some point last year, but unfortunately they both arrived damaged, so I had to send them back, so therefore I didn't upload the video. But yeah, I'm super hyped about this one today. In here we have a Dreamliner. Yeah, Oman Air Dreamliner by Phoenix. I actually got this for the bargain price of, including shipping, £36. So that's what, a £32 model and that sort of thing. So for a Dreamliner, that's a really good price. You know, Gemini Jets would be selling, you know, I'm hoping a similar quality model for that for, you know, nearly £50. So £32 from the aircraft model store really is a little bit of a steal for this. But now I can't wait to get this unboxed, so let's get on with it. Alright, let's get this unboxed then. Now this is, I'm filming this review today from WSI, which is the brand new airport that I have built. Yeah, I'm not quite sure if you guys will have seen the first airport update for this yet. I'm not sure how I'm gonna, and what order I'm gonna upload the videos in. But if you have, great, and if you haven't, then yeah, make sure to subscribe and keep a watch out for that, because that is going to be an absolutely brilliant video. I'm really looking forward to that, so I'm probably doing this unboxing out of shot, really. But yeah, let's do the big reveal then. So we'll open the front. We've got the aircraft model store order confirmation here. Just move it back a little bit. Take the tissue paper out. All right. So here it is. I'm just going to get all this packaging out of the way, and then we'll take a closer look. Okay, so far this aircraft is looking really good. I've literally just done, it's probably been about 5 seconds since that last clip. This box looks actually really nice. Yeah, I do like the way that other aircraft manufacturers like NG and Phoenix do these sort of more personalised boxes to the models. I've always sort of, yeah, I don't really like the way that Gemini Jets do their boxes, because it's so oriented around the manufacturer and not about the aircraft. But yeah, this is looking really good, actually. So we have Oman Air on the front there with some writing in the other language there, and we do of course have the computer generated image of the model, which is looking really nice there. Of course, Boeing 787-9. Moving around to the back, we have Oman Air again, and as you can see, this is a limited edition, and we do also have the registration down there, which is Alpha 40 Sierra Charlie, and the Boeing officially licensed product and that sort of thing. On the top, we have the Phoenix logo, and I would imagine that that is on the rest. So yeah, we've got a little bit of sort of information about sort of their mottos and that sort of thing, quite similar to Gemini Jets. But yeah, now let's get this out the box. So I probably won't be able to do this in shot. There we go, take the outer sleeve off. All right, here it is. Let's take it off and see how she looks. Oh goodness, she looks incredible. Look at that. All right. Wow. This looks absolutely incredible. All right, I'll just move the packaging out the way and see if I can get a closer shot for you guys. Look at that livery. That is absolutely stunning. All right, I'm going to go away and have a quick look at this, and then I'm going to come back and give you a little bit more detail on it. So my first reaction to this model was just, wow, it is an absolute beauty. This Oman livery is absolutely stunning, and it looks really good on this model. Yeah, I'm just going to give you a quick whistle-stop tour. So at the front there, we do, of course, have the cockpit with the L1 boarding door. And then we have the Oman Air symbol, sort of the lettering in grey. And we do have the sort of gold other language. I'm not actually quite sure what that other language is on there. It looks like maybe Arabic, possibly. Please do correct me if I'm wrong. And then we have the L2 boarding door, which is sort of where this livery starts. Sort of waves up over sort of the window level up towards the top of the fuselage there, with that sort of cyan, silver and gold there, looking really nice. And then towards the back, we do have these sort of other little gold and silver pieces that come down towards the tail, and that tail is looking really nice. The wings are really, really good. In my opinion, I actually think that the wings and the engines, especially on this, are better than some of my other Dreamliners. It doesn't really come across on video, but in person, the high shine on those engines is looking really good. You've got the corrugated effect that's very typical of the Dreamliners. Yeah, I'm really, really impressed with this model so far. There, you've got the registration down the end there, and we do also have some separately fitted aerials. Alright, so I've just gone and grabbed one of my Gemini Jet Streamliners. Now, I picked the Thai one because actually, in terms of liveries, these two aircraft are really similar. They've both got these sort of conjoining arrows that sort of come together on the top of the fuselage there. So yeah, these are sort of fairly similar models in terms of the livery and also in terms of the mould. So there are some advantages to the Gemini Jets one, and there are some advantages to the Phoenix one. Starting with the Gemini Jets one, as you can see, there is more detail on the top of the roof there. That Wi-Fi box is separately fitted, but in saying that does look looser, and you can actually sort of see a quite obvious sort of crack bit where that is separately fitted, which you don't get on the Phoenix one because that is just part of the moulding. I'll see if I can zoom in and find it for you there. So yeah, so that's one interesting thing. For me, personally, I have already said this, but I'll just reinforce it. For me, I think that the cockpit, even though it's less detailed on the Gemini Jets one, I think it does look a little bit better in terms of the cockpit windows. They are slightly bigger and I think a little bit more to scale. But if detail is your thing, then I would say go for the Phoenix one, because you can see that there's actually two different colours picked out there. You've got the main windows in grey, and then you've got a little outline there with, of course, the wipers. Something that I haven't talked a huge amount is actually about landing gear. The Phoenix one is a little bit chunkier. As you can see, there are the Sierra, that's the Sierra Charlie registration there. They are a little bit chunkier. I'm not quite sure which one I prefer. I mean, my Thai Dreamliner wheels don't roll, so yeah, that's definitely a +1 for the Phoenix one. Alright, so now for the final test, and this was sort of the thing that I've been most curious about. Obviously, I've got two different Dreamliners from two different manufacturers here, so I was really curious to see actually which manufacturer would do it better in terms of the wing flex, or would they be different? Would they be the same? And these two aircraft do most definitely have different wing flexes. As you can see, this one, the Oman Air one, the new one, this has sort of, it's quite gradual. It's not massively steep. I would say that personally, this looks about right for the Dreamliner. And then if you go over to the Gemini Jets one, you can see that there is an awful lot more tilt in those wings there. It isn't really noticeable or normally, but actually when you stick the camera right down the center, there is an awful lot of flex on those Gemini Jets wings. Something else that I've just noticed that points in Phoenix's favour where the 787 is concerned, you can see that these landing lights on the wings there is proper detail on there. That's looking really good. You can see sort of the two different sort of bulb fixtures in there, and the Gemini Jets one, it sort of has that, but it's nowhere near as clear. However, in terms of wing detail on the top, I think that the Gemini Jets one has to take the cut. As you can see, you have the sort of these sort of lines printed on there and that sort of thing. So that's looking pretty good. But actually, I think that these are two really evenly matched models from two different manufacturers. Alright, so that is going to conclude today's unboxing and review. Thank you so much for watching it. I really do hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. I will leave a link down in the description below where you can pick one of these up for yourself if they haven't already sold out. Yeah, this is a really, really nice model, this Oman Air. I really like it. It's great to have it for the A&L International, and I'm really looking forward to doing some updates with it. It just looks absolutely brilliant. I'm very, very happy with this. And really cheap price as well, £32 for a model of this caliper, when my Thai Dreamliner, I imagine that would be probably worth about £45. You know, and in some ways this Phoenix one is considerably better. So I'm really impressed with this, not only with the livery, even though that is stunning, but actually the Dreamliner mold itself. I would definitely buy more Dreamliners from Phoenix. It is my first time having tried them, and I will definitely be getting more of their models in the future. And they do tend to be cheaper as well, so, you know, it doesn't exactly break the bank going out on, you know, like an A320 or that sort of thing. But that is going to be just about it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I do hope that you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.